Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your account to private on the Storytel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Then you should tap on the settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on privacy in the general section, and as you can see now, your profile is public, meaning that the reviews that you have given are visible to other users who visit your profile. But if you set it to private by tapping on this button in the right side and then clicking on the button yes, your profile be set to private, meaning that the review list on your profile won't be visible to other users. All reviews are still visible in the review list for the specific book. So that's how you can set it to private. And if you want to set it back to public, just go back to this section and click on this button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.